Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and use CapCut on your PC. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and type in this search bar, type Microsoft Store and open the Microsoft Store. In the top search bar, type in CapCut and search for it. If you find CapCut from here, download it from here. But if you don't find it here, don't worry. Open your browser, your preferred browser. Type in CapCut download free in the search bar. And open this website, click on it. And here it's in another language, but don't worry, it's the same thing. Simply click this. And next up, and save. Click on it. As you can see, your CapCut is being installed. Wait for a few minutes. Now that you have CapCut up and running on your PC, you can start editing your videos. And that's it. You are all set to create stunning videos with CapCut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.